So this is my resource group that I have created in my previous video with the name SA Demo RG, and I have a storage account with the name Storage Demo 10 here that I created in my last video. So let me tell you about this storage account that I have created. It is a general purpose V2 storage account, which is a standard performance type storage account in Azure, and it has different options, data storage options available. That is containers, file shares, queues, tables. So let me go with the file shares here. So when you click on the file share on the left hand side under data storage option, you'll see this pane visible to you. Here you can find the list of all the file shares that you have created. Right now I do not have any file share here. Let me click on file share, and you have this option where you have to provide the name of this file share and the tier that you choose. So in the tier option we have premium, we have transaction optimized, we have hot, we have cool. So premium is grayed out here. It is because this storage account that I have created is a standard performance type storage account type. So like if you want to choose this premium, then you have to choose premium file storage account here to select this tier. Other than that, we have other three options, that is transaction optimized, hot and cool. About these options I have explained you in my explained you about these options in my last video, but you it is recommended that you please go back to my last video where I have taught you about the storage accounts and the blob storage, and you'll know what is hot and cool. So let me quickly go and create a name, give it a name and create this file share. So let me give it demo file share. Okay, let me go and click on create. Now my demo file share is created. When you click on this demo file share, you'll have different options available here. Like you can connect, you can upload any file here, you can add a directory here, you can change the tiering options from here also. You can edit the quota. For now it is the maximum 5120, which is 5 terabyte. This is the maximum limit for the file share. So let me go and change it to 5 GB for this demo, and I have changed the quota. Quota is nothing, the storage capacity of this file share. Let me also tell you let me also tell you about the snapshots option that is available in file share, which is newly updated. And you know that with Azure Files, organizations get the added benefit of storage infrastructure. That is, it is highly secure, it is massively scalable and globally available. And even with all these capabilities, what would you do if a user or application accidentally deletes or corrupts files or folders that are stored in Azure File Share? So that's where this snapshot comes in. And when a snapshot is created, the content of the file share and the this share snapshot are exactly the same. However, only the incremental changes are written into this snapshot, and this makes snapshot creation faster, space efficient, and cost effective. Let me go back and create a directory here. So about the directory, let me give it a name, dir2 1. Okay, okay, this directory is created, and let me connect this file. So when you click on this connect option here, you get three operating system options, that is Windows, Linux and Mac OS. Everyone has their own script that has to be run on their uh, terminal. Let me show you about this. They give you a demo on Windows. In the Windows section, you have a drive choose drive letter option where you can choose different drives that is appropriate for you, or you can just leave it to by default options. And here's the script that is given, which you have to copy. Let me copy this script and show you. Okay, see, this is my drive, which has nothing but C and E drive, and I'll go and open up PowerShell and let me paste this command here. So once you paste this command and click on enter, it will add some credentials into your uh, device, and it will add your drive here. So when you go back to your this PC, you see this network drive is already mapped. For some users, it might happen that this network location will is not visible to you after it has completed this step. So for those users, you can just reboot your system and you'll see that drive. Other than that, if you do not want to reboot your system, you can work directly in your PowerShell portal and just click on C drive and you can see the directory is visible here. Now uh, let me let me let me open this and okay, let me go to this drive and create a file here. So click on new and in okay. See, it has created two documentation. I will delete one and let's see this in Azure portal. When you go to DAI21, you can see is this file visible. So let me connect this to one of the Azure VM. I've already configured this VM. Let's connect to this and let me first of all show you what is visible here. Just a second. Okay, so type this PC and let me show you the drives visible. So yeah, C and D drives visible here. So I'll open PowerShell and paste in the same command here. You can see this is the Azure user and my different portal was with my local drive, my personal PC, that is, you can see here. Okay, let me go and paste this command here. Click on enter and you would see this drive created in no time. Yeah, this file is created here, and when you go to this, you'll see all the documents and the files that is visible here. So this kind of scenario is also possible here. You can directly create a directory like the IR22 from this portal also and create a file or upload a file here. This all can be done from your local drive, local PC, or your machines that are in different cloud platforms like AWS or Azure. That can be done. So this is all about this. Oh, well, there's one more option, that is a backup option, for which you need to have a key vault configured, and it will back up your file share data according to your backup policy. So this was all about the Azure file share.